Alright, so if you are a dog lover and you love dogs, then I would definitely recommend this Vamtac dog hoodie that I have right over here. And the brand sent me out this product in exchange for a review video as a gift that I'm going to be doing a review about. And this review, we are going to go more in depth and show you guys everything about this dog hoodie. So without going further, let's go more in depth and show you guys more about it. Alright, so one thing I absolutely love about this dog hoodie is the material. Now the material is made of a 65% cotton material and also 35% polyester material. So that right there tells you that the material is really high quality. I just love the inside material. It looks really nice and soft when I wear it. And if I could show you guys the inside material, it's like you can see right over here. It's really in the cotton material is really high quality of the inside right over here by the wrist that I showed you guys. And I just love the material, the embroidered right over here on the dog hoodie is really high quality as well too. But if you're like a huge fan of dogs, then I would definitely recommend a hoodie like this. And I also love the fact that the pockets on this are really huge as well too. So it's plenty of space to put everything inside. And also it comes with the hoodie as well too. So you can wear this during the winter time and just like that, it keeps you nice and cozy in the inside as well too. And also you can wear this during the rain as well too. You can see it comes with this hoodie and it's plenty of space as well too. And just like that, and when it comes time for the sizing, I do also want to say is that it does come oversized, so that is something to keep in mind. This is a size large. I'm about 5 feet 10 inches and 165 pounds. And if you are trying to go for the oversized look, then I would definitely recommend the large. But if you are trying to go down the size, then the medium or the small works best. But keep in mind that this does come, oversized. So that right there tells you that you need to keep in mind on the sizing when it comes to that. But what we're gonna do now is that we are going to show you guys a front and back view of this dog hoodie. And just like that, I absolutely love the Vamtac dog hoodie that's right over here. It's really comfortable and nice, 65% cotton, 35% polyester material. The hoodie has plenty of space as well too. You can fit it up with the chain as well, which is like right over here, and give it that, that casual, trendy streetwear look. And I just love the fact that, it is a casual fit. It looks really nice. So if you're looking for something that is a casual and you're a fan of dogs, then the Vamtac dog hoodie right over here is by far one of the best hoodies to get. And I just love the material. It's comfortable and soft of the inside as well. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a dog hoodie to wear for a casual everyday wear. Then this right over here from Vamtac is by far one of the best ones to get. And I would definitely recommend this product.